Hi everyone and welcome today to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a recipe of something I eat every time I feel like just craving or something sweet. This is basically dates with some almonds and some nuts around it. It's super tasty, really I love it. And today we're gonna make it together. I'm gonna show you how I make it exactly to make it the most natural, healthy thing that I can eat. I also like to eat it with my coffee once a day sometimes, you know, when I feel like snacking or before workout or in a long cardio workout or like 2 or 3 hours workout. Basically every cardio that more than 1 hour and a half, I'm eating those. So come and join me for that recipe. So first I'm gonna show you what I'm using for it. I have 1 kilogram of dates, of course, just natural dates. I like to just peel it off myself and do it everything so I will know what exactly it have. I have 1 glass of pumpkin seeds and 1 glass of walnuts and 1 glass. I just made a mix between almonds and pistachio. Okay, look like this. Okay, so 1 glass of each, just took 3 glasses. Basically you can use anything you like. Also I think I'm gonna use cocoa today. I just like to do it to make it a bit with a chocolate taste sometimes when I feel like it, not all the time. Sometimes I'm using cinnamon, it's also tasty. And for the end I'm gonna use some coconut, okay? Just as you can see, those coconut seeds. And that's it, just to wrap it around. At the end it will look like this. It's gonna look super tasty. And of course we will have a big amount of it and we're gonna eat it together. Yummy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just peel off. Of course, just take the dates and take out these. It's gonna took me a while. You can just move forward if you just want to see the whole video. Of course, I'm gonna keep doing it here. So finally, it took 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, I have the bowl of dates here, clean dates with nothing inside. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take those nuts, walnuts, and I'm gonna just smash it a bit. Not too much really, just for fun. Just like to do this. Maybe you can do it like this, like this. Okay, ignore my bullshit. Just me doing fun in the kitchen. Okay. Just joking. So we have those pistachios. I'm gonna try and smash it, but it's not really smashing, so I'm gonna leave it that way. And the almonds, of course. Oh, I have something here. Yeah, of course, greens everywhere in my house. And the pumpkin seeds. No need to do anything with it. So, this time I'm gonna use also cocoa. I feel like chocolate taste. So, I'm gonna use some of it. Okay, a lot of it. Depends on how much you just like it. It's natural cocoa, by the way, no sugar. Oh my god, I used a lot of it. It's gonna be super tasty. And cinnamon, I don't know about it. Yeah, why not? Okay, so now the hard part. The difficult part is now to smash it all together. Fun time. My hand's gonna be messy. Bit of workout to my triceps and my forearms. So basically earning 2 things in a row. It's also a workout and it's also healthy cooking. Okay, maybe I used a bit of too much cocoa, so it's gonna be even more difficult to smash it. Okay, I'm gonna use a bit more dates this time because I was going crazy with the cocoa, so I guess I'm gonna add some more dates. We're gonna be super shredded, super shaped. This summer for the bikini with amazing triceps. Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna do it. I really hope it will be good. But unfortunately I was using really too much cocoa and I just can't smash it. So learn from my mistakes, don't use too much cocoa or just use more dates in the beginning. I'm gonna use a bit of warm water. Really hope it will help and will not destroy my amazing recipe. Okay, it already looks better. Looks very chocolatey. Okay, it's starting to get a shape, and now I'm gonna show you how we're rolling it to sushi rolls, basically. Wow, it looks perfect. It even looks yummier than how I make it most of the time, because most of the time I don't use water, and I guess I was using less cocoa. It looks perfect, super delicious. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Okay, so I'm gonna clean that mess in my hands. Okay, so for our final step, I'll need a baking paper, and I'm gonna put it like this, and another one on the side, and the coconut glass that was waiting for us. We're gonna spread a bit of it in a line. It's all white, so I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And we're gonna take one piece in that size. I'm gonna try to roll it a bit just to make some shape and put it on like this on both sides. This is the fun part. A bit more cocoa right next to it. Not cocoa, sorry, coconut. And we're gonna roll it a bit like this. This is a fat roll. And I like to smash it with the paper. To get a nice shape. Look like this, it's gonna look super tasty. And of course we will have a big amount of it and we're gonna eat it together. Yummy.